What is CPN? If you or someone you know has bad credit, you've most likely already heard of a credit privacy number, CPN. But what is a CPN number exactly? So let's have a look. A CPN is often marketed as a fresh start to circumvent the negative consequences of a low credit score and to help you as you apply for credit. It promises that you can still apply for a loan or credit card despite having a poor financial history. That sounds too good to be true, right? That's because it is. In this video, we'll look at what a CPN is, how it works, and why you should avoid it at all costs.
What is a CPN? A CPN, or credit privacy number, is a 9-digit number that can be used in place of your Social Security number when applying for loans or credit cards. While it is possible to legally apply for a new CPN with the Social Security Administration Office, SSA, you need a very good reason to be approved, and a bad credit score isn't one of them. If you were to get a new CPN, it would still be tied to your old SSN.
CPN are commonly marketed by companies as a fresh new number to hide a bad credit score from banks or financial institutions. CPN are not a viable long-term solution for repairing bad credit, and in fact, acquiring one from anywhere other than the SSA is not even legal. CPN being sold are dormant Social Security numbers stolen from people who don't use them, such as children or inmates, meaning you're using the SSN of another person and not a new CPN assigned to you. Others might also refer to a CPN as a credit protection number or consumer profile number. So if you're offered these, know that they're all the same thing. Should I buy a CPN number? The answer is a big no. There is absolutely no good legal reason for you to buy a CPN number. First, neither federal nor state governments recognize or identify a CPN, meaning they are illegal when used to complete a credit application. By using a CPN in place of an SSN in your credit or loan application, you're committing two federal crimes. One is giving false information on your application. The other is misrepresenting your SSN. Both will land you in jail. On top of that, CPN don't work as intended. That's because your SSN isn't the only identification that connects you to your credit history. There's also your legal name, addresses, and a host of other publicly available information. Even if you think you've done an excellent job of hiding these, creditors will catch on sooner or later. Lastly, buying a CPN isn't cheap. It can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Paying that much money for something that is illegal and doesn't work is overall a bad investment. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has helped you understand more about CPN.